Welcome to day 19. We're getting close, right? And today I want to focus on weekly report automation, what to include. If you need 6 hours to compile a weekly report, you don't need more time. What you need is a system. So your weekly report is more like your leadership scoreboard, right? It shows you what is working, what failed, and what needs fixing. But here's what I've discovered. I've discovered that many fleet managers still waste time copying data into spreadsheets, and then they end up submitting unclear delete reports. So today I want to show you how to structure your weekly telematics reports, how to automate key data points and assign report ownership so that insight flows, decision happens fast, and your operation stays accountable. Now you may be asking, why do we need weekly or weekly reports? It's to help you summarize patterns, not just one-off events, right? It's to help to reveal inefficiencies such as fuel thefts, downtime, delays, ETA breaches, SLA breaches. It's to help you to track SLA compliance and client promises. Number 4 is to help you drive internal team accountability. And number 5 is to provide insights for client review meetings. So what are the key sessions you need to include in your report? Let me give them to you very fast. You need to have your fleet activity summary, which shows the total trips done, distance covered. You can get that from telematics, vehicles moved versus vehicles that were inactive, and what are the reasons for their inactivity. Then you also want to cover SLA report performance, on time deliveries, percentage delays, percentage, average ETA reached percentage done versus what was not achieved. They have a section that deals with your fuel summary, liters of fuel consumed, fuel per kilometer, suspected issues. You have another section that deals with diversion alert logs, number of diversions encountered during the week, numbers of tampering done, offline alert triggers. And then most importantly, and something that is very underutilized, is your driver behavior overview. Drivers that engaged in overspeeding and their driving score for that week. And then you have another session that deals with maintenance and downtime summary, right? And then talk about your action items, escalated issues, unresolved tickets, action plan for the next week. Now, let me give you how to automate this. You can use any platform to do that. You can use Excel, you can use APIs, you can pull data directly from the tracking platform. And then you build your Excel template with formulas and pivot tables. And then you can use the shared data dashboard for live reporting where possible. And then set a report calendar, which will also help you to send the reports the same day, the same time when it's required. If your reporting isn't helping decisions, it's just decoration. That's powerful. So as a fleet manager, your reports must help you make better decisions regarding your fleet. So what you need to do today, just choose 3 sections from today's list and add to your current weekly report. Assign ownership to someone in your team. And then you begin to see how telematics will help your operations to scale. Thank you for joining me today. See you in the next video.